everyone, Moha here, ready to feel amazing? Today we're talking about quick workouts. You don't need hours in the gym, just 5 minutes can make a difference. Are you ready? Let's do this. 5 minutes might not seem like much, but trust me, it adds up. Just 5 minutes of exercise daily can boost your energy. It can improve your mood, and it's great for your heart. No excuses, let's get started. Imagine starting your day with a quick burst of activity. It doesn't have to be complicated. You can do jumping jacks, stretch, or even dance to your favorite song. These small actions can make a big difference. They get your blood flowing, wake up your muscles, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Think about it. 5 minutes is just 300 seconds. You can easily fit it into your morning routine, during a lunch break, or even before bed. The key is consistency. Over time, these short bursts of activity can lead to significant health benefits. You'll notice increased stamina, better focus, and a happier mindset. So why wait? Grab your phone, set a timer, and give yourself the gift of 5 minutes. Your body and mind will thank you. Remember, every little bit counts. Start today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you feel the difference. Let's make those 5 minutes count. First up, jumping jacks. This classic exercise is a fantastic way to get your body moving and your blood flowing. It's simple yet effective, and it can be done anywhere, anytime. Jumping jacks are great for warming up your muscles and getting your heart rate up quickly. They get your heart pumping and help improve cardiovascular endurance. As you jump and spread your arms and legs, you're engaging multiple muscle groups, making it a full body workout. Try to keep a steady pace and focus on your breathing. Do 20 seconds of jumping jacks, then rest for 10 seconds. Next, we move on to squats. Squats are a powerhouse exercise that targets your lower body. They help build strength in your legs, glutes, and even your core. Make sure to keep your back straight and your knees aligned with your toes. Do 20 seconds of squats, then take a 10-second rest. Squats not only build muscle, but also improve your balance and flexibility. Do 10 to 15 reps of squats. Finally, we have planks. Hold the plank position for 30 seconds. Planks are an excellent exercise for strengthening your core muscles, including your abs, back, and shoulders. They also help improve your posture and stability. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and don't forget to breathe. Awesome job. Section 4, you got this. Keep going. Feeling the burn? That's good. It means it's working. Remember, you're stronger than you think. Keep pushing. You can do it. Section 5, ready to feel the difference? How do you feel after that quick workout? Energized? Proud? That's the power of exercise. Even 5 minutes makes a difference. Section 6. Welcome to the revolution in fitness. Join the 5-minute fitness movement. It's designed for everyone, no matter your fitness level or schedule. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or a student, you can find 5 minutes in your day. Make those 5 minutes count. Push yourself, feel the burn, and see the results. It's amazing what you can achieve in such a short time. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Your support helps us create more content to keep you motivated and moving. Subscribe for more quick workouts. We have a variety of routines to keep things fresh and exciting, from cardio to strength training. And share this with your friends. Let's get everyone moving. Together we can build a community of fitness enthusiasts who inspire and support each other.